Question number 5. Let's start with Abina. How can we encourage more kids to get involved in sports and physically activities? Again, how can we encourage more kids to get involved in sports and physically activities?
We need to let them know the benefits of physical sports and showing them how fun it is by letting them play PE classes. And lastly, introducing them to champions like Carlos Yolo and Manny Pacquiao, who brought so much honor and pride to this country. And I thank you.
Wow, that was amazing, partner.
It's amazing indeed.
Yes, now let's go with Now your question is question number 11.